Hello everybody, welcome back to Paper Squishy Week. In today's video I wanted to do a really simple video of this paper cloud, but using a different stuffing that has been requested to me a couple of times. So to start off with, I took a grey kind of felt tip pen and I just drew out a rough cloud shape. I made 2 lines thickness on this one, as when I cut it out I wanted to have a little bit of grey showing, and sometimes I just cut a little bit too much off, so I did double the lines. I then went ahead with a black Sharpie pen and just drew out a face, and then I added some pink for the blush either side of those eyes with some white from my Posca pen onto the eyes for highlight. I then cut out this shape. I wanted to do a really simple shape today with not many colours, as I know a lot of people don't have coloured pencils or pens, and this one here is obviously a white cloud, so you don't really need a lot apart from white paper. Next, what you want to do is cover the whole thing in tape, taping it down to another white piece of paper, and then what you want to do is just cut out this shape along that silver line that we previously drew. Because this shape was quite big, I only cut out half at a time and then taped it down and then did the other half after. To tape it down, I just kind of put the tape halfway along the edge and then made little snips and just kind of folded around the little snips of tape all the way around. This helps when working on curves and stuff, so that you don't have like loads of corner bits of tape. So if you cut it, you kind of get closer to the curve when like wrapping it around. You'll want to tape all the way around apart from one little bit so that you can open this up for the stuffing. What I did then was just opened it up and just started stuffing away. So in today's video I wanted to try a different type of stuffing which has been requested a few times, and that was actually using toilet paper. Now I wasn't sure how this would turn out until I actually made this squishy, as obviously I've never used it before, but as a lot of people wanted to kind of see it, I thought I would do this for them. Now what you want to do is just scrunch this up into little balls to get into the little curves of the cloud, and just make sure it's nice and full so that when you tape it up it keeps its shape. Once fully stuffed, what I then did was took some tape and just taped up the opening. Once this was done, the squishy was then complete. So I wasn't 100% happy with this stuffing. I don't really recommend it, as in some places it turned out really hard, and although it is squishy, it doesn't really bounce back. Like, it squishes down, but it doesn't really bounce back up no matter how much or how little toilet paper I put in. But yeah, it could be a good alternative if you don't have anything else, but I wouldn't really use this method myself, or kind of recommend you to if you do have something else to use. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow for another paper squishy. Bye!